September 2025, I.C.T engineer Andy went to a client's factory to provide equipment setup and training services. The client is a printer manufacturing factory that recently purchased a laser marking machine from us.
Thank you, Andy, for teaching us how to program and operate I.C.T laser marking machine, and also how to make different codes that can help in our production in this company. Thank you, Andy.
In just 4 days, Andy completed the equipment training and delivery successfully.